All right, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's word of the day. So convenient. 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 Something that makes other things easier or less stressful. Yeah, less stressful. Let's have a picture. Yeah, we like this. Yeah, less stressful. Oh, less stressful. Yeah, we don't want that. Yeah, easy. Easy, let's say. Let's say that instead. Yes. Convenient. Yeah, something very useful. Something very useful. Yeah. How cool is that? This tool is very convenient. Yeah. I am building a very convenient business. My lessons are very convenient because you can watch them anytime you want. How cool is that? They want to have a very convenient life. It was a very convenient book idea. Yeah. He needs more convenient things in his life. Yeah, he is too stressed. Yeah. She wants less stress and more convenient tools, apps. Apps that can do things for her. Done. How cool is that? Oh yeah, she wants more convenient tools and applications. Yeah. The easier things are, the more convenient your life is. How cool is that? That was convenient. Yeah, that decision, that idea was very convenient. It saved us a lot of time. That idea was very convenient. It saved us a lot of time. Whew. Very good, very convenient. How cool is that? Yeah. I'm planning a more convenient route. So the route that I want to take needs to be convenient. No traffic lights, no speed cameras, no roundabouts, just a long, straight road. How cool is that? Yeah, very convenient. How cool is that? Yeah. He will take the convenient decision at the time. So he will take the easier and more convenient choice in the future. Yeah, that way. Not the hard route. Not the hard choice, but the easy choice. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, can you use convenient in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.